Hi friends, welcome again to class 11th accountancy, and today I have taken the topic journal again, but in today's session I will speak about the opening journal entry. Students, there are some entries in which only assets and liabilities are seen. For example, in this question I have taken 5 transactions, and in the first transaction you can see there are only some assets and liabilities like cash in hand, cash at bank, plant, debtors, creditors. In this transaction there are some assets and one is the liability. When such entries are there, when such transactions are there, how you will record journal entries? Let's see that. First of all, let's make the format of journal, and how you will record this transaction in the format of journal. You will write all the assets on the debit side. As all the assets increases, what you will do, you will debit them. So you will record all the assets on the debit side like this, along with their amount: 10,000, 15,000, 5,000 and 4,000. There is only one liability, so you will record it on the credit side to creditors, that is 1,000. And according to due respect, the debit side is equal to the total of debit side is always equal to the total of credit side. Here there on credit side there is only one entry amounts to 1,000 rupees, and when you make the total of this debit column, you will get 10 plus 15, 25, 25 and 5, 30, 34,000. It is 34,000 and this is only 1,000. We have to make this 30, this also 34,000. So what we will do, we will write 33,000 here. On the credit side, you will write 33,000 and you will name it capital account to capital account. So you have to pass such entries in which assets and liabilities like this. And if this column's total is 34,000, you will write 30 and 1,000 of this column. Then you will write 33,000 here, and the name of entry is goodwill account. अगर यही अमाउंट यहाँ पर होता तो आप इसका नाम रखते गुडविल अकाउंट. ऑन द डेबिट साइड यू विल राइट वन मोर एसेट, यू हैव टू क्रिएट वन मोर एसेट, एंड दैट एसेट इज नेम्ड एज गुडविल अकाउंट. एंड बिकॉज दिस टाइम द बैलेंस इज ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड, सो यू विल नेम इट कैपिटल अकाउंट. ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड यू विल राइट इट कैपिटल अकाउंट, एंड ऑन द डेबिट साइड यू विल राइट इट गुडविल अकाउंट. दोनों में से कोई एक ही होगा, दोनों कभी नहीं होंगे. नेक्स्ट इज purchase goods for cash. So what you will write? Purchases account dr to cash account, 5,000, 5,000. Now how you will make the journal of this question, sorry, ledger of this question? So I will tell you how you will make the ledger of cash account when such entries are there. So this is the format of ledger. So I am making only the ledger of cash account here. So your first entry is cash account 10,000 rupees. You will write it as to balance brought down. When the first opening entry is all about assets and liabilities, you will not see that cash account is on the debit side. You will write it on the debit side, but only the credit entry. So you will write it to balance brought down. आप हमेशा to balance brought down लिखेंगे अगर आपकी पहली एंट्री या लास्ट एंट्री ऐसे जिस एंट्री में सिर्फ एसेट्स और लाइबिलिटीज ही होंगे उस एंट्री में आप इस तरह से एंटर करेंगे. If the business has been started with the assets and liabilities, then you will start your ledger accounts with this only. जितने भी लेजर अकाउंट्स इस एंट्री में दिख रहे हैं वो सारे या तो टू बैलेंस ब्रॉड डाउन से शुरू होंगे या बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉड डाउन से शुरू होंगे, बिकॉज विद दीज एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर बिजनेस. और जिन एसेट्स लाइबिलिटी से हम बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं उनका लेजर हमेशा इस तरह से बनाया जाता है. सो वॉट यू विल राइट फॉर कैश अकाउंट, यू विल राइट द फर्स्ट एंट्री एज टू बैलेंस ब्रॉड डाउन, बिकॉज कैश अकाउंट इज योर एसेट, सो यू विल स्टार्ट इट ऑन द डेबिट साइड with 10,000 amount. Rest all the entries are same. From second all the entries are same. Since cash account is on the credit side, you will write it on the credit side. You will write it as buy purchases account 5,000. and same is the with other ledgers. So I hope this opening journal entry clears the concept. Thank you.